would you like to know the most up-and-coming keywords right now? Jump on a trend just as it's going up and get the most traffic out of it as quickly as possible and establish your channel as dominant within that keyword and that niche. I have a secret weapon. I have a tool that lists all of these keywords for me, and then I can just go off and make content on it. First of all, you need to install VidIQ. Go to vidiq.com/Alan Spicer. It's completely free to install. Once you're all set up, you go to app.vidiq.com, click on keywords, and then click on Rising Keywords. This right here tells you the up and coming keywords, the things that are popping off right now. You can filter them based on today, this week, this month. It shows you how many people have searched for it in search volume and, importantly, the change. What this means is how much over the last 28 days, or the last week, or the last day, how this is accelerating or slowing down. And very importantly, it says competition. So what you're looking for is a keyword that is accelerating, that has low to medium competition, and a load of search volume. And then what you can do is go off and make content. Whether it's a new trailer, whether it's a new Netflix series, whether it happens to be a new film, a new game, or some new trend. In some cases, I have no idea what it's about. So I then go off and research and learn what it happens to be about. Then you can start making content of it. Reactions, dances, videos, you can find the game, you can find news. This gives you a jump start, or it gives you something that you can think about. So say, for example, I'm running some form of meditation channel, and then people are talking about winter and fires and camping and rain. I now know that those are the sounds that I can look upon. Or maybe I'm a makeup channel and I see specific characters are showing up. People are really creeped out by Pennywise, or people are doing realistic Squid Games, or zombie dinosaurs, whatever it happens to be. This will catch the trend, you can make content, and it makes it easier for you. Or use all of them and make them into YouTube shorts. Check out my experiment here, where I make a short every day, and oh my whoopsie, does it really help grow the channel.